Welcome back to Biomes. This time we are talking about and this is the only time I'm going to be saying it, Ilha de Camada Grande, or more commonly known as Snake Island, and to every Portuguese speaker in the world, I apologize for that. Snake Island is this rather small island off the coast of Brazil that is known for being one of the most dangerous places in the world. It has a variety of different kind of biomes in of itself, including like coastal rocky shores as well as rainforest areas, and I couldn't find a whole lot about the plant life on there, but it's mostly low shrublands and has actually quite a lot of invasive grass, which is kind of causing a problem because it's rather flammable and also not a very good habitat for native animals. As for animals on Snake Island, there really is actually only two distinct species of snakes there, but the most famous one is the golden lancehead viper. Now, I've talked about the golden lancehead viper before a couple times on here. It is critically endangered due to its small population. It is only found on Snake Island and has an incredibly potent venom that can kill in pretty much just one bite. There's also a decently high population density of these vipers found on the island, so it is incredibly dangerous to go there, and the only people really allowed there are research scientists as well as the military. Now, as I mentioned, there is another distinct snake species found on Snake Island, and this one is Sauvage's snail eater, a quite small and non-venomous and not at all dangerous species of snake. As for other wildlife on the island, there is a rather high population of birds, with over 40 different species being found on the island, including this one, the southern house wren, and this one, the Chilean Alania, both of which are food for the golden lancehead viper, and they're pretty much the only things that those snakes eat. Other bird species found on the island include things like this guy, the yellow-legged thrush. This one is the male. The females are a little bit more boring. And this little guy, the double-collared seed eater. There's also a number of migratory birds that can be found on the island, including this one, the royal tern, and a number of other sea and shore birds that are found seasonally there, like gulls and cormorants and all of those other guys. There's a couple other reptiles, amphibians there as well, including a couple species of frogs and two species of lizards, like the Toneteid. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. The waters around Snake Island on the coast are also pretty biodiverse, with a couple of sea turtle species living there, including this one, the green sea turtle, as well as the hawksbill sea turtle. There's a few different fish species as well, including this one, the Cubera snapper, as well as types of parrotfish and groupers, as well as two different species of endangered angel shark, this one being the smoothback angel shark. And it's also home to the endangered La Plata dolphin as well. Now, I did see that there are two rather distinct and famous shipwrecks, however, I couldn't find very much information about them, unfortunately. So, while Snake Island is most well known for the very cool and dangerous golden lancehead vipers, there is quite a lot more things going on there that also need to be talked about.